So guys, the update is coming guys in 20 seconds guys. So let's count. 15, 17, 16, 15. Then the what is called prehistorical prehistorical update. See, this is gonna be a massive update guys. Whoa, prehistoric. Oh, cutscene week 1 of summer. Yo, metal detector. Oh, what is gonna find? A bone. What? Oh, cock owl. The cock owl is finding something too. What's he gonna get? Not a rhino. Let's go guys. Yo, dinosaur. No, trade pets for dinos. Dinosaur eggs. Should I take this pet? What are you? Okay, this. The pets and I can use them for the dinos. Collect the animation. That's like dino grind. Ancient seed rock. Station spray ember. Dinosaur egg. Station. Should be the quest. Oh, so this is the quest guys. To get like egg, the prehistorical pack and the prehistorical crates guys. In here, dinosaur eggs, trade pets for dinos. That's it guys in this update. Oh, sin. Very stuck. Paradise Link. So that's it guys, the update guys, the prehistorical event. Let me know guys if you like this event or update. Hello guys, and boom, there's a new seed. It's called, it's a burning bud guys. This is the seed and the fruit is like a flower. So yeah, so I think that's is the prehistorical event guys. Let's see if there's a new gears in the gear shop. Nothing. Magnifying gas, I need this. Basic sprinkler. I think that's it guys. Bye. Make sure to like and subscribe.